Welcome to Ajayasthomani Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Today, on the 5th of August 2024, we delve into the recent movements in copper prices and their implications amid global economic uncertainties. Copper prices in London experienced a modest rise on Monday, presenting buying opportunities after previous declines. As of 0135 GMT, 3-month copper on the London Metal Exchange, LME, edged up by 0.2%, reaching $9,074 per metric ton. In contrast, the most traded September copper contract on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, SHFE, saw a decline of 1.3%, settling at 73,000 yuan per ton, equivalent to $10,195.53. Traders have observed that the initial bullish momentum, driven by robust demand from China and production cuts by smelters, has started to wane. Despite this, some investors are capitalizing on the dip, reflecting a long-term optimistic outlook for copper. This essential industrial metal plays a crucial role in various sectors, including renewable energy and electronics, making it a key component of the global economy. Over the past month, LME copper prices have declined by 8%. Analysts from ANZ suggest that we might be approaching a price floor, as current low prices could lead to a supply response from producers, potentially stabilizing the market. This insight provides a glimmer of hope for those closely monitoring the copper market. In the broader economic landscape, U.S. job growth for July slowed more than expected, with the unemployment rate rising to 4.3%. This development has heightened fears of a potential recession, contributing to a global sell-off in risk assets. Additionally, weak manufacturing activity in China has compounded these concerns, casting a shadow over the global economic outlook. However, the recent U.S. jobs report has also fueled speculation that the Federal Reserve may consider deeper interest rate cuts starting in September. Such measures could stimulate industrial activity and boost demand for metals, offering some optimism for the market. The potential for increased industrial activity could provide a much-needed boost to the demand for copper and other metals. Other metals on the LME also experienced slight increases. Aluminum added 0.1%, reaching $2,266 per ton, while zinc rose by 0.6%, reaching $2,668 per ton. Tin increased by 0.4%, reaching $30,300 per ton, and nickel climbed by 0.4%, reaching $16,340 per ton. These modest gains indicate a cautious yet positive sentiment among traders. In contrast, metals on the SHFE mostly declined. Aluminum fell by 1.6% to 18,895 yuan per ton, zinc dropped by 1.6% to 22,485 yuan per ton, tin dipped by 0.2% to 247,800 yuan per ton, and nickel slightly decreased by 0.2% to 130,140 yuan per ton. This divergence in performance highlights the varying factors influencing the metals market across different regions. Stay tuned to Ajayasthomani Guru for more updates and in-depth analysis on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest insights. Thank you for watching.